How's it going, everybody? My name's Dalton. Welcome back to another episode of Garage 99. Today, we're putting my new livery on this car. It's not going to be some crazy livery. It's just going to be a bunch of stickers I made between a couple sponsors that we have, my company itself I like to do some advertising for, and kind of just, I don't know. You know how some people like to, if they're really good at fabricating, they'll do some crazy welds or crazy roll cages and stuff. Well, I'm good at doing vinyl stickers, so I'd like to showcase what I'm capable of doing and putting it on the car. And it'll probably make it look a little better, I'm hoping. Got a couple cool stickers I'm looking forward to as we go along, so we'll get right to it. So the sticker that I was most excited about was my new nameplate, which I think looks amazing. I put it in a good spot. Came out really good though. I mean, a couple bubbles in here. I think I'm gonna have to either work out or do something. I think it's a good spot for it. Kind of like dead center in the middle of the car. That is the biggest sticker that I wanted to make sure looked good on this car. We'll put the sponsor on the bottom. We'll put the Garage 99 on the back quarter and do the other side, I guess. Okay, well, this side's done. I gotta be honest with you, it came out a lot better than I thought it would. That looks really cool. Got two sponsors at the bottom. Our sponsor, name sticker. We have a couple toe point stickers that we're gonna put on the front and the back. They're also in silver. They look good. They're on an angle. Made them myself, actually. We're gonna put one right there and then one up front. Stick around and you'll see it. We have all the stickers on. I actually did all this off camera on the driver's side because, I mean, it's pretty much the same as the passenger side. I don't want to bore you guys, but we're gonna get this thing out in the sunlight and see how it looks. It is so windy out, I'm so sorry about that, but guys, look how freaking good this thing looks. Our third brake light, and actually the rear right reverse light was having some issues, so we should be getting that in today. They must have sent it in two separate packaging because it actually just showed up. But I only got the one bulb in there. It only shows that it has one bulb. So we are going to replace this one real quick. Yeah, I'm not really sure how we're gonna test to see if this light works because it's just me here. I think it's working. You guys can tell me, but let's see. I guess it's in there properly. I don't know. So we didn't get the bulb for a couple days. Oh, it is a little windy outside. Just apologizing in advance. Problem with the bulb, literally one of these, so 3 of these diodes were lit up on a brand new bulb. I also noticed there's a little bit of water in here. I don't know if that was the issue, but I'm gonna try and dry it all up. I might like try and seal this thing up or something. I don't know. I'm not sure how water got in there, but it did. I think maybe that top of that's broken. But alright guys, that's going to conclude today's video. I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. Peace out. Keep turning those gears.